Welcome, today in front of me Honor 9A, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. As can you see here, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute your ringtone, swipe this white dot with your finger to the right side. We are the three. And that's it. As can you see, that's really simple. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Here on the right side of your device we got the volume buttons. Just to unmute your ringtone, you should press your up volume button, but be sure first that here you got this in the default volume button control selected the ringtone to change the ringtone. And now just press to your up volume button, and by this way, as can you hear, you can change your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.